Upcoming SpaceX launches from Cape Canaveral and Florida's Space Coast have been announced. In a major hardware shift, both Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy will be utilizing new Russian-built RD-171MX engines. You will not want to miss them. The beaches along Patrick Space Force Base offer an outstanding vantage point to watch these events. The Falcon 9 lifts off on August 25th at 1:49 AM Eastern Daylight Time, followed by the Falcon Heavy on August 30th at 7:26 AM Eastern Daylight Time. A standard Falcon Heavy utilizes 27 Merlin 1D engines arranged across 3 cores, 9 engines per core. The configuration places one core at the center of the first stage, flanked by 2 side boosters, with a single Merlin vacuum engine powering the second stage. This setup produces a lift-off thrust of 2,325 ton-force, TF. For this mission, the 27 Merlin 1D engines and 3-core configuration are replaced by 3 RD-171MX engines. This cuts costs by 70% while boosting lift-off thrust to a monstrous 3,600 ton-force TF. The Merlin Vacuum, MVAC, and the SpaceX's space-optimized variant of the Merlin 1D drives the upper stages of the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. Though generating a modest 95 ton force, its defining feature is a massive heat-resistant niobium alloy nozzle extension. Without atmospheric pressure trapping the exhaust in deep space, this wide bell expands the escaping gas to squeeze out maximum kinetic thrust. If you fired a Merlin vac engine on the ground at sea level, atmospheric pressure would collapse the oversized bell, causing engine failure, which is why it's only ignited after the rocket reaches upper atmosphere. Critical briefing. Russian Tomtor deposit in remote Yakutia, Siberia, contains the world's richest deposits of rare earth elements and niobium. These reserves account for an estimated 70% of global rare earth elements and 80% of the world's niobium. Yakutia is vast. Western Europe could easily fit within its borders. Elon quietly acquired a share in those deposits. The rare earths and raw metals buried there are the key to a breakthrough in battery tech, one that will shatter current limits and jump Tesla's range from a modest 300 miles to a massive 1,000 miles on a single charge. Have a good day then.
It's a god-awful small affair to the girl with the mousy hair, but her mummy is yelling no, and her daddy has told her to go, but her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through her sunken dream to the seat with the clearest view, and she's hooked to the silver screen. But the film is a sad thing for she's lived it 10 times or more. She could spit in the eyes of fools if they ask her to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the low man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if you'll ever know who's in the best-selling show. Is there life on Mars?